Like I say in my review videos, I like to wait a while and use the product. And I said that this Liteband was really good. And I knew I should have waited a little longer. I did wait about 2 months of using it, but shortly after that, it quit working completely. Battery must be dead. Okay. What happened is something happened in here. There we go. See that? So something happened to the wire between the switch and the white portion of the light there, so it won't even flash. So that should be on high there. That should be the flashing one. Okay, so you can see there's obviously something broken inside here. So I did contact Liteband and they did send me a new one. They said they were going to send a return label for this one, but I haven't received that yet. So I guess I'm going to give up on this style of headband. I don't want something bulky on the front because of the type of work I do. I'm always in tight spaces. I could probably just use this one here. But you can see that there. And like these cheap ones here, you know, they've got a nice band there, but the batteries don't last long on these at all. So I'm gonna try some different ones. Trying to find something that doesn't have a bulk light on the front. And when I do try some, I'll do reviews on those too. But you can see this one here has failed.